Come on, Jack Duck.
Oh.
Come on, take his head off.
Oh.
He's coming. Number 2's coming.
Out my ass.
Come on, Ron. Get to the nest. Oh, there's only 3 of them. Oh, there's 4 now.
There's 5, there's 1 over there.
They're all ganging up on you.
They're circling around. I just worried they're going to shit in my head. Though.
It's Ron time.
Tell me, Link, tell me, warn me.
Okay.
Come on. Oh. Behind you.
Oh, this one's coming. This one is. I know.
He's taking a big swoop.
Yeah. They're circling up quite high above you.
You should make me shit myself.
No, he did. He dropped about 50 foot.
I'll have to get down with him.
Behind you. Yay. Come on, boys. Come on, you can get him.
Oh! I
Whee!
didn't even see that one. Oh, again!
Oh, the same one's doing you. He's gonna shit on you.
You know.
Oh, you've lost it from a £1 bird. Come on.
What about the fucking $1 million chicken, that is?
Taught by Jeff Thompson, can't take on a crow.
Fucking
I think you're safe now. Oh no, you're still not safe.
I thought I was.
Don't get too they're still really not happy with you.
This is a lot easier than the way I come up.
It is, isn't it?
I'm
Yeah.
fucking stepping stones.
Even I got up there.
Well done, mate.
Fuck.
Very well done.
Shit myself.
Your turn, Lee.
No,
Yeah,
thank
your
you.
turn, Lee.
Come on.
No, thank you.
He wants your ass, that one there.